In today's price talk video, we're going to take a look at the PCX USDT chart on both MXC and KuCoin and kind of give you my thoughts on what could happen, just because we are waiting for those bullish news later on today at the time of watching this video. It all depends on when you're watching this video, of course. It could be that the news would have already been posted after or before you watch this video, and in that case, of course, it doesn't apply because many things could happen, we don't know. But the market is definitely not doing well today, right? So that doesn't really help it. However, the news should possibly help the price move back up. So we'll have to see, because normally the market does react on news. So how are we doing for PCX? Well, we can see it's trading at 642 here on, or 643 almost, on MXC, because this is where we've got the historical chart. We'll take a look at KuCoin after, but you could see that we went as low as $5.04 here on the last dip that we had when Bitcoin dumped to 29K. Then we moved back up, probably related to the speculation on the news that are supposed to be released today. So as you can see here, we've moved up to like 740 here. We had a few pops to 740, even 750. We had a week here to 752. So yeah, we're pulling back now with the market, as you can see, but where is the next area of support? Because that's what you may want to know, right? Well, the next area of support is around here, so around 640, 650. So we are actually at this area of support now. So it's very thin here on MXC, but on KuCoin it is doing quite okay, right? But again, remember that this support, even though it is thin here, the bots do end up buying back up, just because this does act as support. So bots do actually operate based on these charts, right? So you got to remember that even if a dump was to happen to say 610 all of a sudden, or $6, it would pop right back up. It would act as a wick and pop back up around this area of 630 to 650, which is acting as support. And then of course we've got the next area, which is the $5 range, where we dipped before the last time. However, with the news, I am expecting that we're going to move to the upside, right? And if we move to the upside, where's the resistance? Where the resistance is going to be around the 890 area, as you can see here. So anything between 880 and 890, possibly even 9, we might go above it. And if we do go above it, of course, it's going to dump back down below it. It all depends on the impact that the news have, right? I am pretty hyped about these news personally, because I know what they are, of course. But it depends how the community will react based on the news, of course, and the people that will find out about it, of course. And let's take a look at KuCoin here. So with KuCoin, we can see that if we actually look at how the buy orders and the sell orders are arranged here, we could see again we are pulling back. It is 650 here, but the real buying pressure here, or the buy walls that we've got, are in this area here of 620, as you can see, right? 620 has these walls here, and you can see the bots are fluctuating this between 16K and 4.8K. Okay, so 620 seems to hold quite well as support on KuCoin. Now, what about the resistance on KuCoin? Well, the resistance, as we can see here, we've got a thin order book up to 8.5. Now, there's nothing at 8.6, but if we look at 8.7, we've got the 12K order here. So it starts going, it's an extra 10K here, as you can see. Actually, no, it's less than that. It's the bots that are constantly moving here. So it's bots that are constantly pushing this wall. So I think that this is kind of acting as resistance, 870, just because the bots are constantly pushing orders here. As you can see, they're constantly moving. So yes, like I said, like I showed you on MXC, I think that 870 to 880 is going to be, even 890 possibly. It depends on the exchange. Maybe on MXC it's going to act different than on KuCoin. But anything up to $9 is going to act as resistance. So we are going to struggle to break past that. And we have to be realistic here, right? Even with the news. But we could likely touch that area, right? So that area is one to watch. And then we'll see how the market reacts. Of course, over the weekend, I am quite disappointed, because if we're starting the Friday on a bad day like this, on a red day, then I think that Sunday is going to be really harsh. Maybe tomorrow, maybe tomorrow is going to pick up a little bit, I don't know, but I'm definitely not hopeful for Sunday. Normally Sundays are known to be bloody, and I think this Sunday is going to be absolutely brutal. So we'll have to see how the market reacts with PCX today, later on this evening, and if the market reacts well, then happy days. We may hold for a while, hopefully through this brutal weekend, which I do think is going to be quite harsh. So that's it. I just wanted to quickly do this video and kind of give you my thoughts on where we could see. So again, just to reiterate, the resistance around 870 to 890 and the support around $5 in the case of a dump below the current area that we're at now, which is at support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.